Hello, all. Let us see how to understand this particular problem and solve this. So, what is given is a 12-bit ADC is operating at a 1 microsecond clock period. So, T is equal to 1 microsecond, and this is 12-bit basically. So, now and the total conversion time, T conversion is seen as 14 microseconds. So the question here is basically what is the type of ADC converter. So there are four options that are provided. Now one small thing here is um, first we need to know what are the types of ADCs, and then how is the conversion time, the construction and all. So to put it simply, there are two types of ADCs. One is direct conversion, and second one is integration type ADCs. Okay, so in direct conversion integration, okay, in direct conversion type ADCs, where the analog voltage would be converted directly, we have flash type, we have counter type, okay, and then we have servo type, and then SAR type, success approximation register type. So now there is one more which is called integration. So integration we have mainly the charge balancing and the dual slope. Charge balancing and dual slope. Okay, so these are the two types in the integration type ADCs. Now here if you see, we have to here there is flash, there is counter, there is integrating type, so we can say either of these, and then SAR. We have to find out which is the fastest. Now let us see which is the slowest among these. So definitely we can say integration could be slowest because it doesn't complete within the 1 microsecond period, the 14 microseconds period, because the slope type or the integration type works in such a way that there will be a positive integration, and then there will be then it comes back to zero, where you will have a total time period. You can say this is 2 power n clock cycles, and then this there is another integration period. So there is T1, there is T2. Definitely it cannot do it within a 14 microseconds period, because we have 12 bit. Okay, so if you take conversion for each bit for 12 microseconds also, it will be 12 microseconds for conversion. So definitely this takes more than that, because the positive slope itself takes almost 2 power n clock cycles. So 2 power n will be much higher than whatever we are seeing. So 2 power n, if you see, would be much higher. So this is ruled out. And then here you can see, if you take the counter type, this takes huge time. It almost takes 2 power n minus 1 conversion cycles to complete that conversion. So that also is not possible, or the only possibility is flash type or the SAR type. So for the flash type, this happens very quickly, and it happens within 1 clock cycle, we can say, because only the comparator conversion happens and then the encoding happens. So here it is saying 14 microseconds. Definitely, as we are saying, it happens within few micro to nanoseconds. So for the flash conversion would be much lesser than this. So that means it is not integration, it is not flash, it is not counter. Now if you take the SAR, coming to the SAR case, SAR works in such a way that the conversion time would be equal to the number of bits of the ADC. So because this is a 12-bit, we can say it takes 12 into time period. Time period is nothing but 1 microseconds, because time period is each clock cycle. So it takes 12 microseconds for the conversion. And now for ADCs, we have start and then end of conversion bits. So start indicates the start of ADC conversion, and then ADC conversion happens, and then end of conversion indicates the end of that conversion. So if this takes 1 clock cycle and if this takes 1 clock cycle, so the clock period would be 14 microseconds. So we can say that this is a successive approximation type ADC. Okay, and then see a glimpse of the conversion times. As we said, the flash type takes 1 clock period, the counter type takes 2 power n minus 1 clock periods. The servo tracking, it is little improvement over counter type where a up down counter is used instead of a binary counter, and it takes a little less than 2 power n minus 1 clock periods. But the SAR ADC, it straight away takes the number of bit size of the ADC, number of clocks equal to the bit size of the ADC. And then dual slope, as we said, initially 2 power n clock periods is required to build, and then for the integration the n clock periods is required, so it is much higher. So we can say of all these, flash is the fastest, but it is the costliest one, and also hardware intensive. Success approximation type is what is a medium level ADC, and it is mostly used in industrial applications. So success approximation type ADC and dual slope are what you see in most of the industrial applications. Thank you.